Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I want to ask you, did you just get a letter asking you to file your 23 tax return? You got an LT 59 letter. It's IRS just must filed a ton of these. I got a bunch of calls in the last month or so that IRS is focusing on the 2023 tax return. I don't know why. A lot of people that I ask haven't filed years prior. But IRS is focusing on that year. I think what's happening with all the backlog, IRS, rather than ask for the last 6 years, is focusing on 23, and then they're going to do a compliance check for there. But if you are one of these people who got the LT 59 letter as a former agent, couple things that you need to keep in mind is most of these go out to self-employed people. Very few wage earners don't file their tax returns because they have refunds, but you want to make sure, number one, you get current for this year. That means you may have to start making estimate payments because IRS is going to ask, are you current for the year 2025? That is, are you making estimates? And many times when you don't file 23, you don't file 24. So IRS is going to do a full compliance check. They are going to ask for 23, 24, and they're going to want to make sure you're current for 25. So if that's you, you need to get that done. Give me a call, but don't wait. If you wait and don't file, what can IRS do? Well, they'll file your tax return for you, and you're going to owe a lot more money because they're going to give you a single designation with no dependent or exemptions. You don't want that to happen. Or if it's a bigger case, they'll bring your case down to the local office where you'll get a summons subpoena from a local revenue officer to come into the office to examine your records. You don't want that to happen. That's what I used to do. You don't want a potential for an IRS audit. But just get them filed and then work out a payment agreement or something. Or maybe you can't pay, you can get uncollectible, but make sure you file that 23 tax, 23 and 24 if you owe it. Give me a subscription if you need help. I can get it filed and take care of your problem. I've been doing this for a long time. Thank you so much.